Cody's video didn't have the reaction that we wanted it to. He didn't react in a way that was funny or just the quality that we wanted to. So I guess what happened was is Bosh and I we talked each other into doing it together. So take two. Here we go. You ready, bro?
No.
All right. On three.
Oh, Lord help me.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. That's not helping, bro. Let's make it work.
That's all I gotta say.
I won't go away!
Why am I swallowing?
Are you crying? Coffee creamer? Okay. Is that expired?
Where did he get the creamer from?
I don't know.
He's the only.
Why? You said I knew it wasn't as bad. You said it wasn't as bad. You knew it wasn't as bad.
If I would have said it was horrible, you wouldn't have done it.
Okay, it's probably low. No.
We'll go again.
No!
My eyes are closed water and I have tears running from my face.
Oh.
Is it
Every
like
time I
still
swallow,
hot?
it hurts.
Is it still hot in your mouth?
Yes, Cody.
Is it
it's
getting
still-
worse?
Get some milk,
They
Bosh.
always, no, I don't.
Mine like took a while for it to peak. You know what I mean?
I thought it was going down for a second and then it didn't go down.
It took a while for like.
I'm gonna throw it from that too. I don't like this stuff.
No, what you don't like is peppers.
I just gotta deal with it, y'all. Oh, Lord.
In everything else we do, give it up.
Not in this. Not in this.
What's your message to the students? What's your message?
My message, honestly, is don't give it peer pressure.
Don't get in the youth ministry.
I typically don't allow peer pressure to be a thing, but I felt like this was a good, needed idea, and I knew it was a bad idea at the same time, and I didn't listen. So here we are, and I'm struggling. I have tears running down my cheek as we speak.
That was beautiful.
I don't feel beautiful.
You look it.
In about 30 minutes.
Be like Tommy. Just say no.